Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make a fast video tutorial about how to make a MasterNode for DogeCoin private. We already know what DogeCoin is. This one is DogeCoin private. I like it for the glasses, for the meme, just why I like DogeCoin too. The first thing you need, obviously, it's a wallet. You're gonna head to their website, which I'm gonna leave in the description of the video. You go to wallets, you download whichever operating system you're using. I'm using Windows 74 bits. You download it, install it, and the first thing I did when I installed the wallet was encrypt it. You encrypt it with a password and you wait for it to synchronize and you're set. As you can see, I already have a MasterNode and I'm already receiving rewards for the MasterNode. I'm gonna use Pecunia platform. It's a site I'm using now for months already. It works pretty nice. It's cheap and I love it. So yeah, let's start. Gonna head to Pecunia, and here in 99 host you're gonna look for DogeCoin private. I'm gonna use the $1 per month plan, or you can choose the 6-month plan, which is gonna cost you $5.49. I'm gonna leave this screen right here. I'm gonna go to the wallet. In receive, I'm gonna make a new address, and since this is the second MasterNode I'm doing, I'm gonna label it MN2 request payment. I'm gonna copy the address and I'm gonna send to this address 10,000 DogeCoin private, exactly 10,000 coins. I'm gonna send it, have to put my password. Okay, and we have it. Now I'm gonna head over to transactions, and here in transaction you see payment to yourself. I'm gonna copy the transaction ID. This is what I will need later on to set it up in Pecunia. I'm gonna wait to have a, let's see, it has already one confirmation. Yeah, I'm good to go since it's gonna synchronize on the server. Yeah. So now on the 99 cents a month plan, you hit continue. Here they are explaining what I already explained. Here I'm gonna put the name of the MasterNode, which is MN2, and the transaction ID, and hit continue. It's gonna ask you if you confirm. I'm gonna hit deploy, and now I'm gonna wait for the server to synchronize and install my MasterNode, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, we are almost done. Now I'm gonna copy this string right here, and we go now to tools in the wallet, to MasterNode configuration file, and we are gonna paste this all the way to the bottom of any text we have this in this file. Gonna paste it. There you have it. I'm gonna save it, and then I'm gonna close the wallet and open it again. I'm gonna wait for here for confirmations. It already has 6. I'm gonna wait for more than 20 confirmations on the transaction for the status to be synchronized, and once it's waiting for remote activation, I can start the node and start receiving rewards. I'm gonna pause the video again and start it when it's all set up. Okay, now everything is set up. Confirmations, we have 35. Node is waiting for remote activation. I'm gonna copy this command right here. You can type it if you want in the debug console. I'm gonna copy it. I'm lazy. I'm waiting for the wallet to start now. And what I'm gonna do is unlock the wallet Okay, and in tools debug console I'm gonna copy that command, hit enter, and we started the master node. So I already have 2 master nodes online. I'm gonna start getting rewards from the second one. Let's see right here. It says missing, but it's gonna update right now. Okay, I had to check back. So there you have it. In case you have any questions, don't forget to come to our Discord. Thank you for watching and have a good one.